Raindrops stay beating up against my window pane, thinking about my life and how I'm gonna keep from going insane. Trickle, trickle, drop, drop, trickle, drop, trickle, drop. Trickle, trickle, drop, drop, trickle, drop, trickle, drop.
Bodies fall like raindrops in my city. The weather is as bipolar as the murderous bastards which inhabit my hometown. I'm not calling them names, it's true, but I'm not giving them excuses, it's still wrong. Working outside alone for 5 minutes seems so long. So never should have been alone. I can see your face, not wanting to be alone, desiring an embrace. Desiring an embrace. As you become lifeless, your blood becomes yet another entity to deface the sidewalk. You were nothing more than a statistic. Once the ballistics showed the details of the bullets that went through your mortal body and allowed thugs to capture your soul. Wrong place, wrong time. No justice for a long time, if ever. I never saw myself losing you. But you knew the streets would have their way with you. Raped and violated in numerous ways by the monotony of the day-by-day requirements to receive your street cred. So you insisted I could get my education. Now I'm sitting here facing the dark night sky, staring into it alone. I imagine you were. I know you gasped for air. You grasped for life, but instead that nigga spared a knife right to your side. And all I wish that I was by your side. I should have been there. You needed me. You needed me to see, if nothing else, you went out like a G. G for gang. G for goodbye. G for the gun violence which you all hid behind. I wanted to experience your last rainstorm with you. But you were left there, accompanied only by puddles whose makeup could not be determined between your blood, the rain, and your tears. You could have finally told me at least one of your fears. I would have settled to just listen to your tears.
Trickle, trickle, drop, drop, trickle, drop, trickle, drop, drop. Trickle, trickle, drop, drop, trickle, drop, trickle, drop, drop. Raindrops steady beating up against my window pane, thinking about my life and how I'm gonna keep from going insane.
Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will have no fear. But as I walk down the alley surrounded by shadows and death, I do all I can to hold back my tears. I want to see where they took you from me. I need to see where I was supposed to be. I blame me for focusing only on my needs. Not look on my needs. Remember when you called, I complained about schoolwork and trivial deeds. You talked about what was going on in the street. I told you I didn't know enough. I should have just listened. The sound of your voice, even hearing the atrocities of life, would have sounded better than the wailing of our mothers side by side. The pain that comes alive within the gut of the grieving crowd would cause a corpse 6 feet under to shudder. I wanted badly to seek revenge. I know if you were still here, you wouldn't hear of it. So I'm putting my trust in the Justice Department. I'll sit back and wait upon you. Finish school, do something with my talent that would make you proud. I just can't believe that when I make it, I won't hear you shouting the most loud from the crowd. I hope you're up there watching over me. I hope one day we'll be reunited. I hope you're no longer bound by the street's chains. I hope you again have blood